All right, thank you so much, DB. Well, back to school can be an expensive time of year for families, so between school supplies and activity fees, this season it really can put a strain on folks' budget. So the conversation that often goes under the radar is how this stress about money can impact your mental health. So this morning we are talking to a financial therapist, our money man, Steven Hughes, for a closer look on how we can tackle this. Let's start with families that have grade school kids.
With adults who are preparing for their children to go back to school, we know that the front of the school year, there are a ton of costs, whether it's back to school shopping or school supplies. And every single year, the school supply cost goes up. So add that to the landscape that parents are already reporting that they're financially stressed. 3 out of 4 adults say that they are financially stressed from the things that are going on, even outside of the responsibilities for their children. So we just see things kind of pile up around this time of year. And so it can increase financial stress or bring on financial stress for adults.
And the cost only gets higher for parents of college students. As we know, a degree can come with a hefty price tag.
Not only are they facing some financial stress for themselves, but now they're college students who, if you're a freshman in college, you'd raise your hand to go to the bathroom a few months before you got to campus. And now you can sign up for tens of thousands of dollars for student loans. And so that's a different type of stress for adults when you're trying to guide a young adult to make the best financial decisions, all while managing their finances on campus.
Thankfully, we can develop a healthy habit to manage this tension.
First off, take a breath and take a step back. We do know that everything is connected. And so when you do have an increase in financial stress, your mental health, your physical health, those things may start getting off of the rails. So to really help all aspects of your life, it's good to have a morning or nighttime routine and to have a specific practice that you check in with yourself. Some people use meditation as that. Some people use things like working out or yoga as those things, but having a mindful practice that you can lean on is really important for adults.
And you hear me say it a lot. There is never any shame in getting help.
Because we can't do it all on our own. And sometimes you can't see the picture while you're in the frame. And so seeing a financial therapist really helps people unpack some of the emotions or their thoughts around money that may be holding them back from living the life that they want to live. So I think that not only focusing on financial advisors who help with investments or financial planners who help you create a financial plan, those people are all well and good, all well intentioned, but a financial therapist is going to help you process some of the things that are stopping you from even making those investments or taking action on the money plan that you're getting.
Yes, my friends, so check that out, a financial therapist, so you can work through some of those things. Again, that was Steven Hughes, a financial therapist. You can learn more about him on StevenMHughes.com. And as always, we're going to put this interview on our website. That's WLTX.com, so you can reference it back later. And again, I'm going to say it over and over again. I know I'm a broken record, but there is never any shame in getting help.